Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Vindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer is providing you an error message and reads that didn't work. Make sure your Bluetooth device is still discoverable, then try again. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung services. And then click mo dito yung open. So dito sa services local, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-locate yung Bluetooth. Okay, so makikita mo dito yung pinakauna, ito yung Bluetooth audio gateway. So kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And then pop up itong kanyang service properties. And then dito lang sa general. And then dito sa startup type. And then i-click mo lang dito yung arrow na yan. And then iset mo lang siya into automatic. And then click mo itong OK. And then yung pangalawa, ito yung Bluetooth support service. So double click ulit. And then pop up itong kanyang service properties. And then dito lang sa general. And then dito sa startup type. And then click mo yung arrow na yan. And then iset mo ulit dito yung automatic. And then click mo dito yung OK. So after dito ay close lang natin tong services. Ang next solution na pwede natin gawin. So dito lang sa search menu. And then type mo lang dito yung troubleshoot settings. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And then next step ay dito lang sa options under nito ay select mo lang dito yung other troubleshooters. So click mo lang yun. And then dito sa other troubleshooters. And then dito lang sa others ay kailangan mo nang sinik nito yung Bluetooth. And then dito sa right side, i-click mo lang tong run. So, click lang natin yan. And then, madadirect tayo dito sa help and support. So, ang gagawin natin dito ay kailangan lang natin i-follow kung ano yung instructions na pwede natin gawin. So, for examples, do we have your consents to run automated diagnostic to try solving your Bluetooth problems? And then, click mo lang dito yung yes. And then other details mga kaibigan, nandito siya. So, kailangan mo lang itong i-follow para maayos yung problem. Alright? And the next step ay back lang tayo dito sa settings. So, right-click lang tayo dito sa start menu. And then, select mo lang dito yung settings. And then, select lang natin dito yung Bluetooth and device. So, click mo lang yan. And then, make sure yung Bluetooth discoverable ay kailangan naka-turn on dito sa right side. Okay? So, kailangan naka-turn on siya. And then other device naman dito yung anti-device. So dapat meron dito. And other settings dito mga kaibigan. Okay, so ganoon lang po ka-simple on how to fix that didn't work. Make sure your Bluetooth device is still discoverable. Then try again. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.